ABCs of Violin for the Intermediate Player. This is book 2. And so let's do numbers 1 and 2 together because we are both in the key of G and we are in 3/4. We are working on slurs, so it even says a continuation of book 1. So we left off with all of those slurs and those jigs and all that wonderfulness, and now we're moving on. So this is combining our really low strings with our high strings. So a lot of the time we're not very practiced with the lower strings. So find all the resources that you can to practice reading on the G string because it's very important. I am not going to read out every single one of these with you because I want you to really master that in the first book. But let's take a quick peek at this. Okay, so number 1, we are in G major. So that means we have a high 2 on the G and the D string. Then we have a low 2 on the A and the E because that's our C natural and our G natural. We have B natural on our G string and we have F sharp on our D string. So we are just walking up for this initially. We have G, A, B, C, D, E, D. And then we jump up to G, G, F, E, D, C, A, G. So we're going to do that twice. Now, really feel what your bow is doing. We don't have any string crossings during this exercise, which is going to help us out so that we can just focus on doing 3 beats per bow. So we're very used to doing 4 beats per measure. So we have to get ourselves back into that waltz time in 3/4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Da, 3, da, 3, da, 3, da. So we're not doing any string crossings. So a little bit easier. So let's do this twice. 1, 2, 3, 1, ready, go. 2, 3, all 3. Jump here. Beginning, ready, go. All right, so then number 2, we are walking down from that high G from the top of our 2 octaves. If we go all the way up with our 2 octaves on G major, we have that low 2. So you can walk yourself up. E, F, C, E, F, G. And so let it ring. That G should wake up that G. Okay, so we're starting all the way up there. Make sure your 2 isn't too low where you're pushing down that first finger. That's a big problem that a lot of people have. So G, F, E, D, C, B, C, A, B, C, B, A, G, D, G. Okay, so we have low 2s on the A and the E string, and we have a few jumps. So talk it out, pluck it out, do just those fingerings, and those string crossings. We have that G, F, E, all 3. And so then the second to last measure, we go to that G from the open A, but that's not a slur, so we don't have too much to worry about. It's just that E to that D. All right, number 2, let's walk ourselves up. 1, 2, 3, 1, ready, go. Beginning, go.